your bright blue sky. Lonely night where the angels cry, holding on to the sunrise. When you come back to me, I've got to...
Sa pumili ng relax card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung I feel like ano yung inyong mission, budget. Yung tanong natin, ano ang solusyon sa iyong problema? I don't know why, pero na-sense ko rin, parang lagi kayong minamalas, lalong-lalo na sa pera. Pero na-sense ko rin, wag kayong gahaman. Okay. Na-feel ko may kailangan kayong i-let go or baguhin sa inyong pamumuhay, lalong-lalo na sa inyong hobbies. Okay? Meron ako na-sense sa kalungkutan dito kasi I feel na meron ka sigurong regret in the past na binabalik-balikan mo and can be you're asking for forgiveness. I-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Okay, there could be snakes around you na pumipigil sa'yo na mag-enjoy ng inyong life. Especially sa inyong career, sa buhay. Kaya ka laging minamalas na rin. I'm sensing na hindi mo dapat isisilagi sa sarili mo kasi meron ding ibang factors why this is happening in your life. So, yung mayroon kang idea and we have the free here. So, ibig sabihin nun na alam mo sa sarili mo yung kailangan mong i-let go so that you may not have any problems or issues in the future. So, since may idea ka na kung ano yun, kung ano yung nagpapabigat sa yung bagay sa inyong journey, so you have to let it go. And that is the solution to your problem. So, with the adventure and forgive, so ito yung pinapakita na about your journey in life that you love to discover more, maybe about yourself, or can be discover ka ng other talent and so on. And I think God is calling you on to forgive yourself kasi normal lang naman na maging curious ka minsan sa inyong buhay. Okay, kasi you are in this process of learning more about yourself. But yet, now that you know what you are or so forth, you have to let go of something that doesn't resonate with you anymore. Para maiwasan na magkaroon ka ng mga problema na hindi naman inaasahan. So, next card is this one. So, I feel na may tutulong sa'yo with regards sa inyong problema. Kasi I'm sensing na kung sino man ang tutulong sa inyo, itong taon na to, deserve ka niya talagang tulungan. And I feel like whomever that is, nasa paligid nyo siya, can be a friend, can be a lover, can be your family members, okay? I feel like for some colleagues, pero parang kinda like konti lang siguro na percent, okay? With regards sa mga employees, okay? Or sa colleagues. So, the chosen and evidence. So, I feel here, yung sinabi ko nga sa inyo na binubuli kayo guys, okay? The reason why is because you are one of those people na pinili ng Panginoon na may gawin sa mundong ito. So, kaya sinasabi ng Panginoon na wag mong isisi lahat sa inyong sarili. So, maybe na-sense ko kanina, yung na-sense ko na wag kang gahaman and so on. I feel like it's more on you regretting that you could have bought things in the past na hindi naman talaga kailangan. I feel like it's part of your growing up na rin na you will learn how to spend your money in the right way. Okay, so, yun nga, isipin mo rin na kaya ka binubully kasi yung mga tao na masasama, tinatarget nila yung mga taong mabubuti o yung mga tao na pinili ng Diyos na may gawin for this world. So, anyway, we have the homeless and this one. So, I feel here that you are definitely meant to be inspiring others. So, kaya napagdaanan mo yung mga napagdaanan na problema at yung problema mo sa ngayon kasi you will definitely be somebody that will be out there. Maybe you will share your story someday. Maybe magiging teacher kayo or can be influencer. Can be somebody that will guide others. Kasi ito yung mga dapat nyong pagdaanan na maghihirap ka sa inyong buhay. Can be some of you will experience to be homeless, as you can see. Or pwede rin na, nangangarap kayo na sana makaalis kayo sa lugar na kung nasan man kayo para magkaroon ka ng maginhawang buhay. So, pagdadaanan mo tong lahat. As you can see. And once that you overcome these things, kayo ay magiging inspiration sa mga tao. So, I'm sensing na if ever you're in this phase na pinagdadaanan nyo to, you're in this learning phase, guys. Hindi pa kayo yung tipong tao na nakaabot dito sa Inspire. Ibig sabihin lang nun na, ito yung meant to be na gawin mo in the future. Okay, so ito yung sa ngayon. So, yung solution sa inyong problema is basically more on handling your money properly and learning where to spend it. Okay? At i-let go mo yung mga bagay na hindi nag-resonate sa inyo. So, yun yung dapat mong gawin. I feel like for some of you have to let go of hobby of collecting things is what I sense. Okay, so kasi yung hobby na yan, yung bang pundulo ng gastos, okay lang namin sa mag-hobby, pero hindi ka magko-collect. It doesn't mean that you have to collect things, okay? Kung magko-collect ka man, hindi yung lahat. Yung kailangan mo lang talaga or kung ano talaga yung nagustuhan mo. So, yun lang. Hindi pwede yung magko-collect ka tapos ko-collect mo lahat hanggat sa maging gahaman ka. So, I think that could be the thing na you learned. Okay? So, I think that another solution for your problem is letting go definitely. So, ibig sabihin na nun, may kailangan ka sigurong i-let go or ibenta ng mga bagay na meron ka sa ngayon. Kasi feeling ko may problem kayo sa money sa ngayon eh. So, what you need to do here is sell the things that you're not needing. Okay? So, can be meron sa bahay nyo na hindi na ginagamit na pwede mong i-resell sa social media, that can be. So, that is the solution for your problem. So, with this relax here, so I'm sensing na sa ngayon na problema ka, kailangan mo lang mag-relax and chill. And of course, remember na kung may problem ka, you really need to talk to God about it. Kasi God will send you miracles. I will share you my story kasi before na nagre-reading ako, guys, nagkaroon ako ng issue with regards sa Shopee. Okay? Kasi dati mahilig din ako mag-shopping. Actually, may utang ako dati ng 6,000 per month ako dapat magbayad. Ganon kalaki yung babayaran ko sa Shopee before. Napaka-imposible sa akin na bayaran yun kasi I am a freelancer before. Yung nangyari sa akin. At saka hindi naman ako basically sa company na talagang stable yung income. And ginawa ko, nagpray ako sa Panginoon na i-help niya ako. So, honestly, God is definitely kind to me na nagkaroon ng miracle na nakabayad ako ng 6,000 per month hanggang sa mabayaran ko lahat. At hindi lang yun, may tao na tumulong sa akin na nag-help sa akin na bayaran din. But yet, yung time na yun na tumulong siya, mga patapos na mababayaran na yung utang ko. So, I'm really thankful kay God na natulungan ako. So, talagang God will give you miracles if you chose to pray to Him kung may problem kayo. So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, ngayon, don't worry about guys. Hindi na ako magamit ng ng, what do you call this? Yung Shopee later ba yun? Hindi na. Okay, natuto na ako. Huwag niyong gagawin yun, guys, okay? Kasi hindi maganda. Saka nang kayo bumili pag may pera kayo. So anyway, we have the calm here. We also have keep in reverse. So, I'm sensing na yun nga, 2 beses lumabas yung para mag-relax kayo with regards sa calm at relax. Kalma lang, guys, okay? Kasi kung matataranta kayo, kung magpapanik kayo, ano mangyayari sa inyo? May stress out kayo lalo. So, I think that just definitely a solution for your problem, and one of it is definitely ibenta nyo yung mga bagay na hindi na kailangan. I-let go nyo yung collection kung meron man kayong collection. Okay? Kailangan nyo sa ngayon kasi that is definitely your problem now na may issue ka with regards sa money. So, you got do your best is in reverse. We also have harm. I'm sensing like with the keep in reverse, maybe ito yung bagay na hindi mo ginagawa before, which is saving money, okay? Remember na whenever may dumarating sa inyong biyaya na money, make sure guys sa maglaan din kayo ng pera for emergency purpose. Hindi pwede yung nag-charity lang kayo na envelope at saka after wala na. Hindi na kinalagay for emergency. So make sure you're placing an amount for emergency. It's up to you kung ilang percent yan. Actually, meron naman tutorial sa YouTube or pwede na sa TikTok, whatever, kung paano mag-envelope method ng budgeting. Okay? So, mapapayo ko sa inyo, if ever you will do that, wag kayong bumili ng binder online, guys. Kasi, in my experience, nilalagyan nila ng curse yung mga ganun, which is sad. And madidrain lang yung pera nyo. So, mapapayo ko na lang, guys, gumawa na lang kayo envelope, mag-DIY na lang kayo. Mas safe yun. Kasi honestly, these days, talaga may mga salbahe. At saka kahit yung wallet ko, as in, DIY din. Okay? Dahil nakaka-trauma kapag meron kang cursed na wallet. Drained ang wallet mo, guys. Okay? So, we have the safe in reverse. So, I'm sensing like with the harm here. So, I feel na hindi ka rin safe kung nasaan ka man ngayon. So, I feel like this is for some of you, especially if you live in an apartment or pwede ka rin nakikitira sa bahay kasi feeling ko meron din mga tao na nagnanakaw ng iyong gamit. So, make sure to be mindful of your surroundings na rin. At saka if ever you're aware na ganun yung condition, mas mainam talaga na you let go of the collection kasi baka naman na ninanakawan na kayo, hindi nyo pa alam. Okay? Mas mainam na ibenta mo na agad kaysa sa nakawin pa ng iba. So, yun nga, meron nga tao talaga na nantitrip sa inyo or nambubuli. So, you're the charm here. Parang nalungkot ako dito na na-sense ko yung energy. I feel like for some of you, you are definitely aware. But yet, you're not aware na meron taong tumatawa behind the scenes. I feel na naranasan nyo na siguro na mawalan ng bagay sa inyong room. So, ito yung inyong sign na meron nga ng bully sa inyo. Kaya, nawala yung iyong, can be mga alas na rin na meron ka or whatever. I feel na for some of you, mamahalin yung nawala, which is sad. So, we also have this one here. Kasi I feel na kung sino may gawa nun, paano siyang ganito yung itsura niya sa inyo. Okay, nakikita yun naman. So, nakakalungkot. Parang mayroon bang galit sa inyo or inggit? Kasi maybe you do have that charm. As you can see here. Kaya pinagtitripan ka niya. So, we also have this one. Impact. So, kung ano man ang nagawa niya sa inyo, guys, naka-impact yun sa inyong buhay. Kasi kung ano man ang kinuha niya, maybe this is something na mamahalin talaga. Okay, so at least you are aware now na may mga nawawalang bagay kasi may nantitrip sa inyo. So mag-ingat talaga kayo sa mga tao sa paligid. Hanggat maaari, guys, sagyan nyo ng lock yung inyong cabinet para Doon yung ilagay yung mga importanteng bagay, mga mamahalin para hindi galawin. Alright? So, sa ngayon yung solusyon talaga ay magbenta kayo ng gamit. Okay? So, I'm really sensing sad energy. Hugs to every one of you. Ba't ko to kinuha? Tapos na pala tayo. So, sorry about that. So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. Please show to us. Sana kung I really sense yung solution talaga sa problem. I feel na parang kayong kinakabahan, okay? Hugs to every one of you. Forgive yourself na rin, guys. If ever in the past, naging gahaman kayo, please you're learning from your past mistakes. At iwasan nyo na rin yung sobrang pagtago ng mga material na bagay. Kasi, yun nga, I feel like you really need to learn to declutter na rin. So, anyway, so meron ng tao na feeling ko may envy energy sa inyo. As you can see, and I feel like you definitely need to block. I mean, kailangan mo talagang lagyan ng padlock hanggat maaari or lock yung inyong room or cabinet kung ano man yan para makaiwas na may magnakaw ng inyong gamit. Kasi maybe some of you, you're planning to sell something tapos nawawala yung bagay na ibebenta mo sana. So baka yun yung nangyari. Hugs to every one of you. So we have this one. So another solution to your problem is magsalita ka about your problem. Actually, yung nakwento ko sa inyo kanina na may tumulong. Kasi, yun nga, nabanggit ko yung problem ko dun sa relative ko. And that relative actually helped me out. So, I think that is also the best solution is to speak out. Kasi nakita naman natin sa inyo reading that you definitely have a person na willing kang tulungan as you can see here. I feel na hindi lang naman isang tao yung willing kang tulungan. I'm sensing na marami, hindi lang iisa. So that's also the solution kasi as of now, you definitely have issues with money as you can see. And as I told you, meron kang haters sa paligid mo. Maybe you're not aware. At least by this reading, you are aware about it now. And I feel like you really need to learn to defend yourself from these people na binubuli ka, laging ka nawawalan na ng gamit and so on. So you really have to step out there and communicate na rin if ever may duda ka sa isang tao. So, kung may duda ka, kung natatakot ka or introvert ka, ayaw mo ng away or gulo, mas mainam na umiwas ka na lang. Mag-ipon ka na rin ng pera. Yun yung solution. Mag-ipon ka ng pera so that someday, you will be able to go out of this thing. Kasi I feel na for some of you, hindi pa kayo makamove out. Kasi natatakot kayo maging homeless. Gusto mong relax yung inyong buhay, kaya nagstay ka sa lugar na yun. But yet, I feel like for some of you, you're being really called on by the divine to actually look for another place where you can stay. Kasi wherever you are, may masamang tao na nagnanakaw ng inyong gamit. So, might as well be aware of this. And I hope na yung reading na to magkaroon sana ng linaw sa inyo on how to solve your problem. Hugs to every one of you. Kasi yung pinagdadaanan mo, hindi biro yan. I hope and I pray na everything will work out for you. Remember na maging close sa Panginoon na rin. Magdasal whenever you have problems and you will see miracles that will start to happen in your life or in your journey, okay? So anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness, and God bless you. Sa pumili ng board card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung ano ang solusyon sa inyong problema. I'm sensing na you are in this healing process. At habang nagsishuffle ako ng cards, medyo masakit sa right hand. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, na meron kang iniindang negative na feeling. And I feel like you could be somebody na parang may regret ka sa past at iniiwasan mo yun. Parang iniiwas mo rin isipin, but I feel like you have to actually reconcile on something. But we will see, okay? And tap into your emotions. So, let's see what else. Clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Gusto mo ng clarity of mind is what I sense. Actually, habang nagsashuffle din ako, feeling ko masakit sa isipan din. So maybe what happened here is isip ka ng isip. Maybe with regards to, I feel like somebody who bullied you in the past. Parang siguro nahirapan kang patawarin kung sino man yun. And I feel like you have to move on. So, you have to hope and okay. So, I'm sensing na with regards sa inyong problem, na you should be hopeful. And thank God that you are okay as of this time. I'm sensing that there could be a reason why kung bakit mo ito napagdaraanan. Kasi I'm sensing that whomever betrayed you or so forth, this is something that you need to learn na rin. Kasi maybe you're somebody who could be thinking na everyone around you is somebody that is good. Okay? And mag-ingat din kayo guys kasi maybe encounter a person na binigyan ka ng what do you call this, parang solution sa problem, parang bang payo. Pero yung payo na yun ay hindi maganda kasi kung sino man ang nagbigay sa'yo ng payo, ito yung tao na parang may inis sa inyo. I feel like low vibration is what I sense. Parang hindi talaga siya nakakatulong. Parang bang palalain pa yung sitwasyon. Yun ang nasa-sense ko. Na instead na makatulong siya sa kanyang payo, ito ay lalong napasama. Which is definitely sad. So, the good news and authentic. So, yung good news dito guys, kasi napagdaanan mo ito na may nag-betray sa inyo. Siyempre, magka-close yung connection mo with regards to this person kasi you got aware na hindi siya mabuting tao for you. So, yung magandang balita dito guys is may darating na tao sa inyong buhay who is authentic. Hindi kagaya ng tao na to na akala mo mabait, akala mo tutulungan ka, but yet this person is betraying you behind the scenes. So anyway, no wonder why with regards to your problem, maging okay yung lahat. Maybe you're somebody who's thinking na kung napakawalan ko to, kung sino man tong friend ko, lover, whatever, natatakot kang mag-isa. But yet, you know, if you close this chapter with the wrong person, then somebody will come into your life whom is authentic or honest, okay? Which is good. So, no wonder why you could be in the state na alone ka sa ngayon or natatakot ka mag-isa kaya ayaw mong pakawalan yung masamang tao. So, I'm sensing na yung solusyon talaga guys, i-let go mo yung tao na nagbibigay ng stress sa inyong buhay. And try to move on by focusing on your work, on your career. As you can see, parang hindi ka masyadong mag-focus sa iyong loneliness and trust the divine. Now, once that you let go of the bad person, somebody will come into your life that is more good and honest. See, as I told you, and I feel like whomever will be coming to you, siguro ito yung tao na mas bata pa sa inyo guys, okay? So, ito yung clue. As you can see. So, I think for some of you, this could be a lover. Pero parang iilang kayo. Kasi maybe you're somebody who's a girl. And you want a lover that is, you know, much more mature than you are. Pero I feel na yung parating, guys, may pagka-childlike energy siya. Okay? But I feel like this is somebody that you will like. Okay? So, huwag na kayo mag-base sa age or So, let's say sa attitude na, let's say, childish or so forth. Kasi, ito yung clue na binigay sa inyo ng Panginoon na ito yung papadala niyang tao sa inyo. Somebody who's younger than you can be, or kung di man siya younger, may pagka-young at heart siya. So, yun yung clue mo. Anyway, we have this one. So, kaya ka siguro natatakot na pakawalan yung maling tao kasi may napagsamahan kayo, which is sad. Okay, mahirap talaga pakawalan kung may napagsamahan. But yet, if you know to yourself, this is somebody that is brainwashing you, giving you false, what do you call this? False na mga payo na hindi nakakatulong. So, kung naman pala ng ganyan, you have to let go kasi red flag na yan eh. Red flag siya na hindi siya mabuting kaibigan or hindi siya mabuting lover for you. So, you really have to let this person go. Kaysa naman sa you always experience this with the wrong person. Okay? Kasi hindi na rin maganda rin sa inyong buhay, lalong-lalo na sa decision making kasi nakakasira na siya ng inyong buhay. So, you have the board here. So, maybe this is currently you. Can be some of you, your problem is you're alone as of now. Pero nakita naman natin yung solusyon na ang solusyon, bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng Diyos na makahanap ng tao na mas okay kaysa sa dati mong kinakasama or old friend that you used to have. And I feel like it's kind of like hurting you kasi naiyak ka kasi nalaman mo na hindi pala mabuti yung inyong tao. So, take some time to heal. Huwag niyong pagpilitan na mag-move on agad kasi yung moving on na yan, it takes sometimes even years to move on. Take some time to heal. Kasi feeling ko kailangan mo rin iiyak yung nararamdaman mo kasi masakit talaga guys kung may pagdaanan ka with this person na may mga memories. Of course, it hurts. So, yung solution then for you is to actually heal by crying it all out or taking some time for that, for reflection na rin at pray ka rin kay God, honestly. Whenever you feel like you have a hard time to let go kasi yung Panginoon yung makakatulong talaga sa inyo with your cards, lalo na sa emotion. Okay, and you will see that you will finally move on from whomever that is. Okay, so let's see what else. Feeling ko marami yung dapat. Okay. Strong ang karmic. Nakita natin. Okay, lumabas talaga siya na upright. So, kung sino man yung dapat mong pakawalan, this is kinda like not a good person for you, karmic. So, we have a sense of taste has changed. So, ito yung dapat mong matutunan na dapat magbago yung panlasa mo with regards sa relationship. Maybe some of you, kasi may nakita tayo dito sa inyong card na meron kind of like age difference, right? With a child like being here. Maybe you're somebody, especially if you're a girl, you're looking for somebody na mas matanda kaysa sa inyo. Pero, yung ipopoint dito, guys, na baguhin nyo yung sense of taste ninyo. Huwag kayo magbasa sa edad or kung ano man yung tao na yun na gusto mo mas mature. Pero, give chance to others na, let's say, mas bata or, childlike energy na may pagka-child at heart. Okay, kasi malay mo, sila yung tipong tao na talagang swak sa'yo. You know what I mean? At saka someone na talagang authentic. So, give chance sa mga taong ganon. At saka, yung sense of taste mo, dapat siguro gawin mo dito is, maghanap ka ng tao na talagang mabuti. Alright? Talagang authentically na hindi ka bibiguin with regards sa decision making. Okay, be mindful na rin. Kasi, hindi lahat ng tao na nagbibigay ng payo ay mabuti. May mga tao na dadalhin ka sa patibong with regards to their, payo sa inyo. So, we have the fun in either way. We also have this one ex. Okay, so to be honest, yung solusyon talaga is i-let go mo kung sino man yung taong iyon. Some of you, this could be with regards to one of your fans. Maybe nagpapanggap siya na fan mo, pero hindi naman pala. Parang ito yung someone na parang mainis ba sa inyo or jealousy. So mag-ingat ka sa mga ganyan tao na mapagbalat kayo. So we have the karma. We also have the moon in either way. So, may karma itong tao na to. And I'm sensing with the moon in either way. Isa sa kanyang karma, isalabas yung katotohanan or lalabas yung kanyang baho. Magkakaroon ng realization yung mga tao sa kanyang paligid na kung sino man siya ay actually, I feel na hindi mabuting tao na nagkakait sa mga tao ng hindi maganda, okay? So, yun nga, mabubuking siya, isa yun sa karma niya. At with regards to this one, I feel na makaka-apekto yun with regards sa kanyang money, especially if this person is a freelancer and so forth. So, we have this one. So, don't worry kasi maging okay yung inyong buhay once sa pinakawalan nyo kung sino man ito. Kasi some of you definitely worry na baka maging alone ka. Siguro ito na lang yung huling yung kaibigan na meron ka. Kaya parang nagdadalawang isip ka kung kakawalan mo ba siya o hindi. Pero parang feeling ko yung sinasabi sa dito sa reading, huwag kang matakot mag-isa. Okay? Kasi may darating pa na tao na mas okay kaysa kung sino man itong tao na nagbe-betray sa inyo. So, you have the fake in reverse. So, kung sino man yung parating, hindi siya fake friend or a lover. So, you have the ladder in either way. You also have the hide here in either way then. And we have the lover. So, some of you, speaking of, can be this is with regards sa love life. So, I feel like for some of you, really need healing work to do. Kasi hindi kayo makapag-concentrate sa work dahil galing kayo ng heartbreak. So, take some time really to heal, to cry it all out whenever you have a free time. Kasi kailangan nyo yun. Kasi some of you are definitely hiding your emotions. Minabaliwala nyo yun. Pero kailangan yung iiyak, guys. Hindi pwede na magkimkim kayo ng parang sama na loob or hate within. Kasi, yun nga, hindi maganda yun sa damdamin at sa mental health na rin. Alright, so take some time to heal about it and learn to let go and just forgive, Kasi mga tao na gumagawa ng masama, hindi nila alam ang kanilang ginagawa. Hindi pa sila mature to know these things, okay? So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, panay taho ng aso sa background. So, maybe that's also the reason why kung bakit kailangan mong pakawalan kung sino man ito. Baka kasi madalas na kayo magtalo, toxic na yung relation. So, you really have to let this go kasi kung hindi ka talaga swak for that person, madalas talaga yung awa. Yun yung dapat mo ma-realize din. If, that person is really meant for you, minsan lang yung away na yan, hindi madalas. Actually, normal lang may away. Pero kung maraming beses na yung pag-aaway na yan, hindi na normal yan. Ibig sabihin, hindi talaga kayo magkasundo. Parang hindi talaga kayo meant to be. You get my point? Okay? So, let's see what else we have here. I feel like you have to let go and let God. Yun nga, magpo-focus kayo sa career. Parang magiging busy ka with regards sa career. I feel like during this month. Okay, so anyway, we have the sun here. So, ito yung naramdaman ko kanina na parang may negative emotion. So, yung negative emotion natin is sadness with regards sa, naiiwasan kang tao dito. Okay, nalulungkot ka. Siguro nagkaroon ka rin ng issue with regards sa money while you're dealing with this wrong person here. Gikan ka sa mga ganyan tao na parang ginagamit ka rin for money. Okay? Kasi kung sino man yun, yung taong yan, as I told you, hindi sila mature. Maybe they don't know what they're doing, hindi nila alam na parang nawawalan ka ng pera dahil sa kanila. Okay? Kasi they're definitely blinded. Maybe they thought that you have money, pero sa totoo lang, may issue ka rin with regards sa money. They thought that you have enough, pero yun nga. So, kaya pala dapat mong pakawalan na rin itong tao na to kasi, magkakaroon ka ng issue with regards sa money kung magpatuloy pa ito. At hindi mo talaga deserve yung someone na minahal ka dahil sa binibigay mong yaman. Kasi, if ever you're somebody you really meant to have lots of money, yung mission work mo dito sa mundong ito is definitely tumulong sa may hirap. Baka naman dahil sa kanya, hindi mo na nagagampanan yung mission mo. Diba? So, kung may mga ganyan tao sa paligid mo na they're just using you for money, what you will need to do here is that kung may nare-receive kang money from your salary, business, or so forth, remember na maglaan ka ng money for charity work. At para na rin sa Panginoon. At least 10% of your income can be fine. Kaysa naman sa halos lahat ibigay mo sa maling tao. So, make sure na you're doing your mission work. Hindi ka lang masyado nagfo-focus sa mga tao na ganyan ginagamit ka sa pera. So far, maganda naman din yung inyong reading kasi kung sino man ang ibibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon, hindi siya yung actually gagawa ng ganito sa inyo. Kasi, nakita ko rin dito na baka this is what you're doing to your person na ikaw lagi yung bigay ng bigay. Okay, maybe this time around, kung sino man yung parating, siya naman na magbigay sa inyo. Okay. So, okay, patuloy ko na sa sense yung let it be and let God. So, yun na solusyon na hayaan mo yung Panginoon kasi to be honest, nangyayari yung mga away. Kasi gusto ng Panginoon na i-let go mo yung mga tao na hindi meant para sa inyo. Kaya nangyayari yung conflicts. Tsaka pansinin mo rin na kapag hindi ka meant to be, let's say sa barkada, ganun din nangyayari. Madalas yung away. Kasi yun nga, nilalayo ng Panginoon yung mga tao sa maling tao. Maling barkada. Okay, maling lover. So, sana maintindihan mo rin ba't mo to pinagdaraanan, okay? So, ask every one of you, take some time to heal. Okay, yung solusyon talaga sa problema, i-let go mo yung bagay na hindi nag-resonate sa inyo so that you will be able to push forward in your life. Kasi so far, based on your reading, binigyan ka ng biyaya with regards sa money. Alright? And, yeah, focus on your work more. So, yun yung solution din para maka-let go ka kaagad at iwasan mo rin maisip. So anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I hope that this may give you some insight and awareness. God bless you. Sa pumili ng The Hierophant card, ito ang inyong reading. Let's see kung anong solusyon sa inyong problema. It kind of makes sense right away yung word na hopeless. Hugs to everyone. I'm sensing na naguguluhan ka sa inyong buhay. Na-sense ko, toxic attitude. Okay, I feel like this is with regards to somebody na jealous sa inyo. I'm sensing as well na bully. Some of you parang may kinalaman din siya sa one. But let's see with regards to your reading if it's the same situation. Pero feeling ko malayo ka naman sa kung sino man yung nambubuli sa inyo. Kasi feeling ko iniiwasan mo tong tao na to. Actually, masakit sa ulo yung energy, so maybe you keep on thinking about this bully of yours, okay? I-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Kasi maybe, may napansin siguro kayo na hindi okay with regards to that person. I'm sensing sensitive. So, siguro malakas yung iyong pakiramdam with regards sa tao. Kaya, nag-aware ka kung sino tong bully na to. Na nagbe-betray siguro sa inyo or may ginagawang kalokohan. Kasi maybe you are actually, I feel like for some of you, it could be with regards to your dreams. Okay, baka itong taon na itong minamanifest niya na managinip ka about sa kanya. That can be. That's why you got aware that you could have been cursed and so on. So maybe ito yung iyong problema that you stayed connected with the wrong person. Okay, at naiirita na kayo tungkol doon. Kasi I feel like you could have moved on from whomever that is. At naiirita kayo kasi ayaw mo nang balikan kung sino man ito. Kasi naman siya, baka siya yung nagde-drain ng inyong money or may ginawa siyang hindi mabuti sa inyo before. I feel this is with regards to your business for some of you. Or with regards to money concerns, that can be as well. Siguro nandito ka kasi naghanap ka ng solusyon kung paano hindi mo mapanaginipan kung sino man ito or maisip. Kasi I'm sensing na siguro nagkaroon ka na ng closure with regards to third party situation or kung ano man na nangyari. Okay, maybe this person is manifesting you back kasi gusto niya mag-apologize sa inyo at gusto niya maramdaman yung love uli. Yung pagmamahal mo. Kaya kanya mina-manifest. So maybe some of you, ginayuma ka ng inyong ex. And you're finding a solution. Kasi for some of you, you could already been dealing with somebody else new. At everything is okay with regards to your new person. Tapos yung ex mo gustong bumalik sa inyo. Lagi mo napapanaginipan, naiirita ka na. So speaking of here, okay? Kasi I feel like mas gusto mo yung gusto naman na meron ka sa ngayon. Kasi whoever that person is somebody that is kind to you. If ever you're still single, you could be looking for someone na talagang mabuti sa inyo at hindi yung tao na masama kagaya ng ex mo. Kaya yun nga, ayaw mo na sa ex mo. So yung nasa isipan mo at naiinis ka kasi you could be dreaming about this person or bigla mong naaalala kahit ayaw mo. Kasi guys, pag bilang yung naaalala, ibig sabihin lang nun na baka yung tao na yun ay naaalala ka. Okay, so we have the faith and desire. So, fated na yung desire mo ay nagbago. Yung desire mo ay yung somebody na nagmamahal sa inyo. So, if ever you're desiring for that, then good because it's fated to happen na nag-iba na yung sense of taste mo with regards sa love life. Ayaw mo nang balikan yung ex mo. Ito siguro yung ginawa nga ng ex mo na baka ninanakawan ka. As you can see here. Or ginagamit ka sa pera, that can be. At nagkaroon ng ebidensya about it. Kaya nag-break kayong dalawa. So we have to protect here. So you're definitely protecting yourself from this person. Nagmamatigas ka, ayaw mong balikan, ayaw mong i-message, kung blinak mo, kaya ginawa ng tao na to, minamanifest ka. Actually, yung solusyon sa inyong problema is definitely prayer to God whenever you will sleep every night. I-pray mo sa Kanya na wag kang magkaroon ng panaginip na minamanifest sa mga tao na masasama. Yan ang masasabi ko. I-pray over mo sa Panginoon na huwag niyang pahintulutan na nagkaroon ka ng panaginip na minamanifest sa mga tao sa'yo. Yung panaginip mo lang dapat is something na sent by heaven. So, by praying that, kung wala namang i-message sa yung Panginoon na panaginip through that, maging blank yung inyong panaginip. Wala kang panaginip, supposedly, kung wala namang ipapadala yun ng Panginoon sa inyo. But kung meron man sign si God for you, then you have a dream. Honestly. So, yun yung dapat mong prayer lagi tuwing gabi, na huwag kang magkaroon ng panaginip na minamanifest ng taong ito. Kasi feeling ko naiirita ka na. Kasi kung may mga ganyan na instances na madalas mapanaginipan yung tao na ayaw mo na and so on, ibig sabihin kasi nun na siguro, ang parang pinipilit nila na mapanaginipan mo sila. So, we have this kiss. So, I feel like kung sino man yun, guys, na nagmamanifest sa inyo, this person still like you. To be honest with you, maybe they miss your kiss or your love, honestly. Pero ayaw mo na na-trauma ka na sa ginawa ng taong ito. And I think that whomever that person is, hindi siya aware na na-trauma ka na sa kanya or ayaw mo na sa kanya. Kaya, pinipilit niya yung sarili niya sa kanya. Kaya pinipilit niya yung sarili niya sa inyo. Sorry about that. So, you have the down in reverse. So, ayaw niya maging down yung inyong connection. Gusto niya kayo pa rin. So, we have our gateway, but it's in reverse. So, kung sino man yung tao na yun, hindi siya naka-move on sa inyo. This person is definitely broken-hearted about your relationship. And I love you is in reverse. So, meaning lang nun, guys, ito yung tunay mong nararamdaman. So, kung sakali man nagayuma ka, guys, wala sa katotohanan na gusto mo ba tong tao na to? Kasi si I love you, naka-reverse yan. Ito yung pakiramdam mo na ayaw mo na sa kanya. So, you have to respect your feelings. So, we have this one, creativity. It's in either way. We have the here, in either way. So, ibig sabihin lang nun na gusto niya actually na mag-message ka sa kanya. Na-miss siguro yung iyong creativity on how to express yourself. Pero, yun nga, wala na siyang naririnig na gano'n, na sweet or self-worth. Kasi yun nga, nag-break kayo. So, you have to forgive in reverse. So, there could be this one. So, kung hindi this person is actually searching for forgiveness, maybe this is with regards to the third-party situation. Can be. Or something that happened in the past. So, kaya nga, wala sigurong closure, wala sigurong forgiveness na nangyari, walang apology, and so forth, bila na lang kayo nag-break. So, kaya naisip niya siguro na may chance pa na maging kayo. So, that's why this person is manifesting you back. So, let's see what else do we have here. Okay, I kinda like feel na whomever this person is definitely jealous of you. Can be dahil naka-move on ka na sa kanya. Kasi, hindi ko nasa-sense ito yung energy mo na gusto mo pa siyang balikan. Okay, kasi maybe you already have a person. For some of you, maybe you're single na ayaw mo na talaga sa kanya. I feel like another card. Okay. I'm sensing na pinagsamantalahan ka niya yung inyong kabutihan. Okay. I feel na naiiyak na. Naiiyak ka on some point. Okay. So, yeah. This is what happened in the past. Kaya ka naka-move on. Kasi sawa ka na sa betrayal. Okay. Ayaw mo na ng stress with regards sa relationship. Ayaw mo na pinapaikot ka. So, siguro naranasan mo na you watch a lot of pick a card readings kasi yung tao mo, nahihirapan kang malaman kung gusto ka ba niya o hindi. nilalagay ka sa third party and so forth. So I think that the solution here is that you need to cut this connection off. Because whomever that is definitely a wrong person. So meron ulit tayong Hierophant. Nakabaliktad naman. Kasi ibig sabihin lang nun, na kung sino man itong ex mo, hindi siya actually okay. Why? Because I feel that childlike energy in him or her. Dahil first of all, si Hermit naka-reverse. Kasi pag nakaganyan yan, ibig sabihin, parang hindi siya nagninilay kung may nagawa siyang mali. Okay? Baka ito yung tao na hindi nagbabagong buhay. Patuloy pa rin niyang ginagawa yung mga masasama niyang gawin. At si King of Swords naka-reverse din. Immature din siya with regards sa kanyang speech. Or can being immature mag-isip. Pwede rin. Si Hierophant din natin naka-reverse. Ibig sabihin naman yan, hindi siya malapit sa Panginoon. Hindi niya siguro inadapt kung ano man yung natutunan sa religion. Okay, so anyway, wow, this is actually good kasi with regards sa inyong reading, hindi kayo malas with regards sa money concern. If ever you're single, kasi sa movie you're single, okay, you already move on from your ex, and I'm sensing na while you are single or dealing with a new person, parang hindi ka problema sa money. Parang masaya ka sa inyong buhay, you have abundance. Nawala na si stress. So, no wonder why you move on. Yung problema lang natin is that you have dreams about this person na minamanifest ka. So, might as well always pray kay God. Kasi you have the Hierophant here. Always pray to God na before you go to sleep, na wag niyang paintulutan magkaroon ka ng panaginip about these people who are manifesting you. Only have dreams na ibinigay sa inyo ng Panginoon. Okay, so yun lang. Yun yung solution sa inyong problema. And pray to God na, you will move on from whomever this is. You will not have dreams or nightmares about this person kasi, nakakairita rin kasi yung mga ganyang pangyayari, diba? So, solution is prayer. So, anyway, that's it. And God bless all of you. So, pumili ng Rich Card. Ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung ano ang solusyon sa inyong problema. I don't know why, but I sense Italy, which is interesting. Okay. Actually, medyo mabigat sa mata yung feeling. Kasi baka yung nangyari dito, baka may breakup or can be talaga mabigat na problema, may pangyayari. At hindi mo lubos malaman kung ano yung gagawin mo. Clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I sense only you. Could be this is about love life. I'm not quite sure. Pero tingnan natin. Okay, I feel na meron third party situation. If ever this is about love life. Kasi may na-impluwensya na, may nag-impluwensya na kaibigan sa whomever your person is. Can be your connection is long distance relationship. At may nangyayari na Hindi mo alam bakit bigla ka na lang in-stop i-message, bigla ka na lang ginost. Maybe you're trying to find, what do you call this, a closure. Ganun nangyari. So, ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo na meron siya sigurong friend na nang open ng another opportunity for him or her. Can be this is with regards sa relationship. Ito yung nangyari. So, yung nangyari dito is nag-iba siya ng connection. Kaya bigla dito si Cam, bigla na lang hindi siya nagme-message sa inyo. So, yun yung nangyari. So, yun siguro yung problema mo na hindi na siya nag-message. Kasi I'm sensing with regards to you, you're actually hopeful sa inyong connection with, I feel like sa foreigner, yun yung nasa sense ko. So, maybe some of you taga-Italy yung karelasyon nyo, or kung hindi man sa Italy, basta abroad, okay? So, can be nangyari dito is parang umaasa ka pa rin at gusto mo ng closure, kung mag-aantay ka pa ba or magpapapasok ka pa ng ibang tao sa inyong buhay. Kasi with regards to this one, ibig sabihin lang nun na parang kang kaakit-akit. So marami pang ibang tao na nagkakagusto sa inyo and you're not definitely aware kung dapat mo bang papapasukin yung mga yon. Kasi so far, you're actually waiting dun sa foreigner or sa somebody na connected ka. But yet, this is what happened na bigla ka na lang sigurong blinak ng parang inaasahan mong tao. At hindi mo alam kung bakit. Kasi you're thinking that whomever that person is, this is somebody that is loyal to you. Nalungkot ako dito kasi yun nga, may nag-brainwash sa kanya na maghanap ng ibang tao. So maybe this is you now that you are protesting for, let's say, a message from the one that you love. Nalungkot ka kasi maybe whomever that person is na connected sa'yo, this is somebody na mayaman kasi we have the rich card at pinakita rin dito with regards sa royalty card na mayaman tong tao na to. Okay, and I'm really sensing na naiiyak ka kasi naisip mo na sayang siya, you know, nawala yung connection, and maybe you're here, you're wanting to know a solution for this one. Kasi I'm sensing that you are angry now kasi, you know, worthy ka na maging jowa ng kung sino man itong rich cat. At naiinis ka kasi ngayon hindi ka niya pinapansin. So, maka ito nangyari na nagde-demand ka for attention kasi we have to encourage here. So far, maybe na-encourage mo siya na ikaw yung piliin niya, you know, pero nag-ending na parang pinagpipilitan mo yung sarili mo sa kanya. So, we have to brave and gain. So, I'm sensing na gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon that you can gain wealth on your own, honestly. Wag ka masyadong dumepende sa mga tao na, let's say, mayayaman or may offer sa inyo. At isipin mo na you can achieve things by you working. To be honest, so, let's see what else do we have here. Wow, so far, yung solution dito is magkaroon ka ng work. Okay, sorry about that. So, based on your reading, yung solution is magkaroon ka talaga ng work. Kasi, I'm feeling na magkakaroon ka ng success sa work. At nakakalungkot dito kasi you could be imagining na yung pag-asa is yung pagde-date mo with a foreigner. So, basically, don't leave this behind kasi may potential ka talaga na umangat with regards sa work, lalong-lalo na kung yung trabaho mo talaga ay swak for you. So, don't dim your light. You know, trust in yourself that you can achieve greatness. You know, hindi yung by dating somebody na rich, as you can see. So, maybe ito yung pangarap mo na magkaroon ka ng kapartner na mayaman. Okay, but yet, based on your reading, you can actually do it. Okay, yung solution dito actually, hindi yung you will go after whomever this rich person was. Kasi based on your reading, iniiwasan ka na niya. So, just let that person go. You know, mapagpilitan yung sarili mo sa kanya kung ayaw na niya talaga. So, we have to close in either way. So, inisip mo siguro hindi pa close yung connection. Kasi based sa inyong reading, iniiwasan ka niya. Or, could be you have been ghosted here. Kaya inisip mo hindi pa sarado. Kaya inisip mo na hindi pa siya lost. Okay, kaya naka-reverse yan. So, we have this one here. So, nakakalungkot dito guys. Kasi, whomever this person was, yung rich person, whomever this is, actually masaya siya sa kanyang buhay as of this time. We have this one, which is fate. And we have to forget in reverse. So far, hindi mo pa siya ni-let go or hindi mo pa siya actually kinalimutan. Kasi inisip mo na baka sakali fated kayo. Okay, nakakalungkot. Kasi with a feel here, so you have feelings for whomever this person is. And with the rich in reverse, so can be this is you. Like you're thinking na hindi ka mayaman or walang pag-asa na umangat ka or yumaman, but yet it's just in your imagination. Kaya ka nag-hope for somebody that is rich or someone na foreigner, sana. So, huwag may sipin yun. Gawin mo na lang, mag-aim ka na lang for your career here in your country. Kasi, angat ka naman. If you base your job sa inyong talent talaga. So, we have the greed is in either way. So, maybe maasa pa kayo na batiin ka ng tao mo or mag-message pa sa inyo. We have the luck in either way. We also have the lovers in either way. We also have this one, chariot. So, maybe ito yung nangyayari na naghahanap ka siguro talaga ng karelasyon. Parang after ng connection na to, maghahanap ka na naman. At paulit-ulit yung cycle na para magpe-break yung connection. Kaya si chariot naka-reverse kasi meaning hindi siya magpo-push forward. Kasi first of all, meron kang luck dito. But this is not with regards sa relationship. This is with regards sa career. Kasi gusto ipakita ng Panginoon sa'yo that you can actually have these riches nang hindi actually naghahabol sa mga taong mayayaman. So if the new in either way, kasi ganito yung mangyayari sa inyong buhay if pagpilitan mo yung sarili mo na magkaroon ka ng relasyon, paulit-ulit yan na mangyayari. Si hangman in either way, parang walang patutunguhan. With the bliss in either way, we also have this one. So parang kang maiinis kasi paulit-ulit yung ganitong cycle na nag-break kayo kung sino man ito. Nag-break kayo, naghanap ka uli. Nag-break na naman, hanap na naman uli. Paulit-ulit. Hanggang sa maging stagnant ka with regards to relationship. Papayo ko sa inyo guys, so with regards to relationship, hayaan mo na lang. Meaning, huwag ka maghabol ng connection. Kasi pag naghahabol ka, pag pinadali mo yung love life, madalas yung tao na may kita mo is someone na hindi meant for you. And it will definitely lead on to just break up. Honestly speaking. Yung mainam dito is, iwasan mo na maghanap and let that come to you. Yun na mapapayo ko. Kasi if you keep on doing the same thing, laging parang ganito yung nangyayari. Okay? I know that it breaks your heart, guys, but you really have to learn to let go. Kasi baka nasanay na kayo na may karelasyon. Nakalimutan nyo na yung single life na honestly mas maganda kaysa magkaroon ng relasyon. Kasi kung may relasyon, isipin mo na rin paano kung kasalan maabot mo, 'di ba? Pag magkaanak ka na, guys, mahirap. Ma-realize mo 'yan. So, habang single ka pa, enjoy mo lang. You know, kung may dumaan sa na lang na ma-experience mo lang yung love life. Kasi kusa naman dumarating yung love life sa panahon na hindi mo inaasahan. I think that you will find a person kung busy ka na sa inyong work. Hindi pa sa oras na aggressive type ka pa with regards to relationship. Okay? So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, yung solution sa problem is you breaking the cycle na ganito naghahanap ka. You will be more on focusing on your work. And take some time to heal, of course. Kasi, with regards to this person na inaabangan mo, masakit talaga sa kalooban kung iniwan ka niya or pinagpalit ka sa iba. So, let's see what we have here. So, we got the Knight of Pentacles. We also have this one. So, basically, ito yon na naghahanap pa talaga ng jowa. Na hopefully, may money. Okay, gusto mo kasi sana na mapamper ka with regards sa, let's say, mga material na bagay. But yet, ito yung nangyayari kasi sa'yo na nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety or stress with regards sa relasyon kasi nga nakalungkot dito kasi mostly nakakatagpo ka ng tao na after lang sa passion. Wala talaga yung love. Okay, so anyway, I'm sensing na nalulungkot ka kasi nga may hinihintay ka. Kaya hindi ka na muna naghanap ng iba as you can see. So, nalungkot ako with the Page of Pentacles kasi maybe this is you, your status with regards sa career. Siguro sa ngayon, wala kayong matinong career or maybe naghanap ka pa lang ng trabaho. I'm sensing na what you need to manifest here is yung career muna. Yun muna yung unahin mo. I-manifest mo si career. Huwag mo i-manifest yung bagay na broken-hearted ka. I feel na paulit-ulit yung ganito talagang cycle kung ito yung i-manifest mo. So, based on your reading, yung solution talaga is you finding a job. To be honest with you, or finding the right job for you. Yung suwak talaga sa inyong talent. Honestly, sa inyong skill. Huwag nyo i-dim yung light ninyo. Huwag nyo isipin na wala nang pag-asa kayong masenso. Kasi based sa reading nyo, may pag-asa. Okay? Huwag kayong magdepende lagi sa connection. Na yung lover mo magbibigay sa'yo ng yaman. Kasi, to be honest, dapat natuto ka na rin noong COVID. Di ba biglaan na may mga nangyayari na nawawalan ng partner, ng kapamilya dahil dun sa sakit. So, hindi mo lamang mangyayari. So, basically, you need to learn how to be independent. Okay? Kasi, nangyayari dito is paulit-ulit yung ganitong nangyari sa inyong buhay hanggat di ka nagbabago. Hanggat di pong baguhin yung cycle, paulit-ulit siya. Kasi let me remind you na nangyayari mga hindi ka nais-ayos sa bagay kapag, may bagay kang dapat na matutunan from that mistake. Observe you wanna be. Alam ko nalulungkot ka sa reading, but yet kailangan mo talagang tanggapin or harapin yung katotohanan na rin na yung cycle na ito ay paulit-ulit sa iyo. So, maybe that is not the path for you kung ganun, kung lagi nagkukulose. Kaya mong pagpilitan ng sarili mo sa bagay na hindi para sa iyo. At antayin mo yung pagkakataon na ibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. So far, first of all, career muna, based on your reading, career muna yung parating bago love life. So, ibig sabihin lang nun na yung timeline nun is mag-career ka tapos saka palang darating si love life. Pag wala kang career, hindi pa siya darating. Okay, close kasi yung door with regards sa connection, as you can see here. At saka pala darating si love life sa panahon na hindi mo inaasahan or sa panahon na hindi ka na naghahanap. So, yun lang. Gawin mo natural lahat. Hindi yung agresibo ka maghahanap kasi magle-lead on talaga yun sa maling connection. Okay, huwag mong madaliin yung love life. Honestly speaking. Kasi pag minadali mo, hindi maganda yung kinalalabasan nun. So, anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. Hugs to every one of you. Take some time to heal. With regards to this person, wag kang muna maghanap agad ng iba. Okay? You need to learn to be independent and to be on your own. Kasi para din yan sa iyong ikabubuti. Okay? So, that's it. And God bless you.